Introducing the ideal E61 Elegante, a masterpiece of engineering, craft, and coffee excellence. Rooted in the legendary E61 group head, introduced in 1961, the E61 Elegante carries a legacy trusted by baristas worldwide. Its saturated group head delivers exceptional heat retention, thermal stability, and consistent espresso extraction, shot after shot. Designed for high-end specialty cafes, it's built for those who treat coffee as an art form. At its core is a triple boiler system, enabling independent temperature control for brewing, steaming, and hot water, ensuring unmatched consistency even during peak hours. With PID temperature control, adjustable extraction temperature, and variable pre-infusion, a commercial-grade rotary pump delivers quiet, stable 9-bar pressure, while real-time pressure adjustment by handle allows creative control during extraction. Milk texturing is perfected with a high-curved, cool-touch 4-hole steam wand, producing silky microfoam for latte art. Each group head features an individual digital display for live performance data. Inside, copper piping ensures purity and thermal efficiency. Outside, a coated metal body with handcrafted oak wood elements defines timeless elegance. Ideal E61 Elegante, where classic engineering meets modern mastery.